elearningspread.com, your guide to the world of e-learning.
Exporting the course main content for translation can be done relatively quickly. Open your course in Articulate Storyline, then select Translation from the menu. Depending on what your translation software requires, choose between exporting to a Word file or an XLIF. Alternatively, you can send your source story file to a translation agency of your choice, and they will handle the entire process for you. Once you have finished translating the main document, you can import it back into Storyline. Open a copy of your e-learning course and choose Translation from the File menu, and then Import. The Import Translations window will appear. Select the Word translation file by going to the project folder and click Open. A window displaying the import status will appear. This could take a few minutes, depending on how big the course is. A confirmation that the translation is finished will pop up. Most of the languages, excluding Asian languages, often take up more space by volume than text written in English. After importing the translation into Storyline, some text may extend beyond their text frames, or original positions, or even overlap with other texts. This needs to be sorted out, so in this step, often called DTP, you would need to format all the text in a proper manner, adjust text frames, and layout of all slides so that they correspond with the original version of your course. Don't forget to change the player's language. Without it, the course won't be completely localized, as the navigation text and messages are not contained within the translation document. Instead, they are placed in a separate built-in XML file that can be accessed via the Player menu in the Home tab. Now it's time to replace the images with their localized versions. Insert the new text into the graphics using a graphics program such as GIMP or Affinity Photo. Then replace the image in Storyline. You will probably notice that after voiceover replacement, some animations may, at certain points, no longer match the narrative. In this case, you will need to manually match the animations to the audio track, and this is the recommended approach, or the audio track to the animations, so that the narration follows the original intent and logic of the course, and is synchronized properly. In the last step, you have to publish the localize course and check that it is correct throughout, and that there are no alignment problems or incorrect translations, for example, missing diacritical marks or unlocalized graphics or audio, and ensure it is an error-free course by reviewing each slide separately. Translating an Articulate Storyline course can seem intimidating at first, but with the right tools and strategies, the process can be smooth and efficient. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up. See you next time.
elearningspread.com, your guide to the world of e-learning.